Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable wireless power sharing on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to use your device, in order to charge other devices, you need to go to settings, and then in the settings you want to scroll down a little bit and then go to battery. Over here you need to find power sharing and go there, and here you can enable power sharing. If you enable this option, then over here we can see the information that power sharing is on, but NFC is disabled. So keep that in mind, that NFC will be disabled if you have it enabled. And then over here we can also see how it works. So we need to place the device like it is being displayed over here on this image. So we need to place it face down on a flat surface. And then we need to position another device on top, in the middle pretty much of our device. And let's see if it works. So I'm gonna lock the screen. Over here I'm gonna place my Motorola. And then over here I have my earbuds, example earbuds. And I'm gonna place them, and I can see the indicator that it is being charged. I'm gonna try to show you, but I'm not sure if I will be able to, because I have to show it like this. I think it has to be the flat surface, and no, I cannot really show you. So on the flat surface it works completely fine. If you're trying to hold it, then of course it will be much more difficult to do so. And wait, actually, I think I might be able to do so. Let's see. Yeah, you can see that the number over here is showing up and fading away. So this means that the device is being charged up in this case, right? So this is how we can charge other devices with our Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!